Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 5 can't even get through a meeting, it's likely that the battery is failing to hold a charge. This can happen due to battery wear over time, especially if the device is frequently used for intensive tasks. If not repaired promptly, you may find yourself unable to use your device when you need it most, leading to frustration and productivity loss. For this battery replacement, you'll need a few tools: a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a new battery compatible with the Surface Pro 5, and some double-sided tape. To begin the repair, first, ensure your Surface Pro 5 is powered off completely. Use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the device, which will help soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Once warm, take your plastic opening tool and carefully insert it into the gap between the screen and the body. Work your way around the device, gently prying the screen away from the base. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you could damage the internal components. After removing the screen, you will see the battery located at the center. The battery is usually secured with screws, so take your T5 Torx screwdriver and remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery from its compartment. Be careful of any attached cables. Disconnect these cables before fully removing the old battery. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same compartment. Reconnect the cables securely and make sure everything is in place. Before putting the screen back on, it's wise to power on the device to check if the replacement was successful. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything is working fine, you can proceed to put the screen back on. Apply some double-sided tape along the edges to ensure a secure fit, then carefully press the screen back into place. Make sure there are no gaps and that the device is sealed properly. To prevent battery issues in the future, avoid letting your device completely discharge regularly. Try to keep it charged between 20 and 80%, and consider using battery-saving modes during intensive tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.